All right, this is the first live stream of the YouTube channel in over a year or so. Just testing everything out, making sure everything looks good. So right now I am in the studio. I want to make a video today, but for whatever reason, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the first live stream of the year, and I haven't done one of these in a while. I just did a live stream on Instagram just to test things out. Wow, this light is freaking harsh. Give me a second, guys. So welcome to the live stream. How's it going? Let me know if the audio is okay. What's up, Thomas Reed? Welcome. So I was looking at the Robinhood app on my laptop, and I'm doing really bad today. How you guys doing in the stock markets? Glad to hear, and congrats on the recent channel success. Thank you. Yeah, I've been growing quite well in the past few. In the last month, I got 3,000 new subscribers. So I just want to welcome all you guys to the channel. I haven't heard much from you, but there are a lot of questions, and I'm going to try to answer as much as I can over the comments, over the videos, and yeah, I'll try my best. Like, I'm not a financial advisor. I've only been investing for the last few years, but yeah, I might be ahead of some people. So yeah, just hit me up. I am kind of new to all this. I'm reacquainting myself to even the chats again. Looking good into Party City and Six Flags. Yeah, if you like those types of retail stores and amusement parks, those are like Six Flags. It's a really non-traditional asset. Robinhood rich, like the name. Hey, what's up, guys? Donnie Tucker, how's it going, man? I always see you in the comments. I have a funny story about acorns. I've used acorns before in the past. I started using Robinhood and acorns around the same time, and right before I invested into Bitcoin, I took out all my money out of acorns. And the last time I went to check to see if to see my account in acorns, they don't even have my account anymore. So I tried to sign up with them again, and I put my social security in there, and they said somebody else already has your social security in the system. So I don't know. I'm supposed to call somebody, but just haven't had time. Don't even want to bother with it. I liked acorns at the time, but now that looking back on it, acorn, it's all right. It's a good way to start if you're a beginner. Hey, what's up? China news. I haven't really looked up on the news lately, but my portfolio is completely crushed in the last week. In the last week, I'm down about $100, but that's how it is sometimes. I should have waited to invest earlier. I mean, later in the week, but who knew? Who knew? March Madness stocks. I'm not so sure what that is. The only March Madness I know is the Collegiate Basketball League and their gigantic tournament. I do not mess with penny stocks. Penny stocks are they $5 and under or $10 and under? I have a few stocks that are $10 and under, so if that's considered a penny stock, then maybe I am invested in some penny stocks. But yeah, like I'm only gonna be investing in blue chip stocks, so that I don't see myself investing in any penny stocks. I don't like that the volatility. I don't like the I just don't like a lot of stuff about penny stocks. So how is everyone's? So I'm assuming everyone else's portfolio is kind of trash today as well. So why people wipe out on trading? Because they don't like to see their money go. Penny stocks are under $1. I think penny stocks are like $5 and under. That's what I would consider a penny stock. You're down 2% last week. On the week, I am down 2.6%. Oh man, it is what it is. I would have loved to just waited to invest my money like later in the week. Tomorrow is probably gonna be another bad day. When it's bad, it just gets worse. Down 10% for the month. You must be doing something wrong, Robinhood Rich. 10% on a month. You must be trading. You must be doing a lot of trades. Do you see any indicators for entry? I used to, when I first started investing in the stock market, I did a lot of penny trading. There's one YouTuber who I followed. What's his name? Ricky Gutierrez. He is probably the top YouTuber when it comes to penny trading in the stock market. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know who he is. He's a really smart guy. He's a really young kid. And it seems like he's doing really well for himself when it comes to penny trading and day trading and all that. So if you guys want to learn about more penny trading and not, you can go find his channel. For myself, I tried it and I'm just not good at it. And I don't have the patience to learn it. And I don't want to be sitting in front of my screen every morning, every day, just like looking at price action and all that stuff. Yeah, it's great. Especially like I can only imagine like having so much money invested in a penny stock and it not going the way you want it to go. I've lost probably $500+ from learning how to penny stock trade. I know that's not much, but you know, whenever I start something new, I start out with a little bit of cash, and if I see some potential in it and I see it can grow in any way possible, I would pump in a lot more money. But penny stock trading just wasn't it for me. Do you think it's a good option this week though? Because it might go up next week, especially the. What do you think of the good $10, $20 stocks right now? A good $10, $20 stock right now. Maybe AMD. AMD. I've been investing in AT&T. AT&T is kind of on the up today. Not too bad. But it has been doing pretty bad on the month and on the week. Dude, you guys see my portfolio, man. It's out there. It's on YouTube for all people to see. I'm only invested in like 20 stocks, guys. 20 stocks. And on my Roth IRA, if you saw in my last video, I'm invested in the VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500. So in total, I'm probably under $10,000, just under $10,000 completely invested in the stock market. And every year, total, I'll be putting in, at the current pace, on the year, I'll be putting in $10,000 into the stock market every year. So that is a decent amount for me. That's all I can put in from my savings. Hey Peter, how's it going? Let me know if the audio is good, if the video quality is good. I have all the lights going in right now, and I really don't like how it's looking, but this is the best I can do at the moment. It looks like I'm just fading into the background. yeah. So this is the first live stream, and I'm testing out a lot of things. I look like I'm a ghost right now, so all right, thanks, man. So right now I'm just sitting in my studio. If you guys want to take a quick look around, this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when I'm recording my videos. Here is my laptop. Here are my lights. And this is my camera right here. That's where I edit everything. I have that cloth for some sound quality, and I have some more lights. All the lights are turned off right now. So that is my environment at the moment. But in regards to M1 Finance, I've been doing some research into M1 Finance. I kind of like the platform. I want to ultimately join M1 Finance. There's also Webull, but M1 Finance looks to be the best option out right now because they allow you to invest in fractional shares. So you can invest in bigger companies for whatever price that you can afford. And that's something that I find really interesting. And their Roth IRA, I might open up a Roth IRA account and fill that one up. So I might split my Roth IRA between Vanguard and M1 Finance just to test it out. They are FDIC insured. They are also like, what is that? SCID insured, up to like 200,000 or 200 to 500,000 or something like that. So it does seem somewhat safe, and I don't see me investing in anything too risky. So I won't be losing my shirt or anything like that. I've already lost enough money when it comes to cryptocurrency investing. What software do I use to edit my videos? I'm currently using Final Cut Pro X. I'm only using Apple products at the moment. I'm done with PC. The last time I used a PC was to do crypto mining. But yeah, here's a quick shot at what it looks like when I'm editing my videos if you're interested in looking. So this is the Final Cut Pro system. I've run everything through this SSD hard drive. So that's what it looks like. And all right, see you later, Thomas Reed. Thanks for stopping by, man. So when it comes to like this recession talk, I've been hearing it all day, every week, every day, man. Just save up some cash. That's all you have to do. Save up some cash on the side. So when you find a good opportunity in whatever stock that you like, it's there to just drop on it, go in at a good sale. I heard Tesla was on sale the other day. I saw a lot of big YouTubers buy up their stock. I like following financial education, and I like following Graham Stephan. Those two guys, they're awesome, man. What is it? New life change. I made $1,800 on Robinhood in option puts in the past 2 days, brother. Hey, man, that is amazing. I have looked into options trading, and I'll probably start option trading very soon. I just need to save up a little bit of extra cash so I can buy some contracts. But yeah, like I was saying, Graham to me is like my role model, my mentor. Like I'm on his notifications whenever he posts up a new video. That guy is A quality, like A1, man. That guy's on top. I think he's making like $40K a month just from ad revenue. How insane is that? Some people don't even make $40K a year. And from his real estate business and stuff, like I'm following his model as closely as I can. For myself, I'm gonna be making a real estate video very soon. As I post it up in the community section, I'm gonna do a real estate video on my investment property on Saturday. I'll be posting that up. Hey, New Life, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, I'll be posting up my real estate investment video on Saturday. I just need to go shoot it tomorrow. I was gonna shoot it tonight, but there was just way too much traffic and I could not get to that location. And yeah, Graham Stephan, he's awesome. I'm following his role model. Financial education. He's the top guy for stocks and stocks news, in my opinion. Ricky G, he's awesome too, but what he's doing is just not for me. I tried it, penny stock trading, and I just can't handle that stress. And like myself, I'm only looking at stocks, once or twice a day. And I can't follow up on that news. I'm not going to be glued to my screen trying to trade pennies. That's just not my thing. I'm going to be investing in the VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500, and that's it. Invest for the long term. The thing about Ricky G, he looks good. He talks well. He's the new generation of that YouTube financial education people. He's that next gen. I can't wait to see what he turns out in like 10 years. The best ETF, in my opinion, whatever from Vanguard, VOO, VTI, that's what I would invest in, like the total stock market index fund. Those are the only two index funds that I would be investing in. Or if you're looking for something for your retirement accounts, you can look at target dates retirement accounts. So whatever year you are going to be turning 60s, 65 or whatever, invest in that. That's a great option because the people who are managing those accounts, they shift your age, they shift the risk factor into bonds as the older you get. So, those guys, they know what they're talking about. They know what they're doing. And I would just follow their advice. What do I think about MORL? You got to be more specific. I don't know all these ticker symbols that you guys are just ringing off right here. If you guys are a beginner in the stock market, I would not trade penny stocks. I would be buying blue chip stocks, Apple, Microsoft, something that's been around for a long time. If you are really new and you are really, if you're risk intolerant, I would be investing in all index funds only, index funds all the way. NOBLE, NOBL. All right, I'll look this one up for you, man. Pro shares, S&P 500 dividend aristocrats. That already, like, just from listening to the sound of that looks like a really good investment. 1,600 people on Robinhood already invested in this account. In this ETF. Their dividend yield is 2.5%. That is super sustainable. Yeah, I'll probably invest in that if I did a little bit more research to see what it is. You are on the live stream, man. Benny Walker, you're already in the chat. Uber and Lyft IPO. I saw the video from Financial Education talking about Uber and Lyft. It's probably not a good idea to jump in on the IPO just because they're going to be overpriced. But if you really want to buy into those companies, go ahead, man. No one's stopping you. I myself, I'm not going to be investing in Uber or Lyft. I don't think I heard Lyft did not even make any money last year. Derek Gonzalez. Yeah, that is. If you're looking through this video, you can tell that I'm Asian, so not understanding what you're trying to say, bruh. So it is currently 6:47 p.m. where I'm at. I can probably start live streaming for, I can still live stream for another 10 or so minutes. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm, Coke and Pepsi, they're are a great Coke and Pepsi, man. Those companies, they've been around a long time. Like I don't see them going anywhere. Like for myself, I think about companies that that I've invested in. I've invested in companies that I know. For example, Apple. Everything that I own is Apple. Like I have Apple Watch right now. I'm using Apple phone. So if you see yourself using this product for the next 20 to 30 years, I don't see why you would not want to invest in it. Like if you're drinking Coke, Pepsi, buy it. Like those companies are gonna be around for a long time, man. Would you do a live stream during a trading day and show us what's happening? I could do that. I'll be testing out these live streams, week by week. I'll probably do one a week from now on. Right now, I'm doing it from my phone. The quality, I'm not so sure about the quality. I don't really like what I'm seeing, what I'm hearing. I've done live streams on my laptop before, and I think I'll be doing it from my laptop. I use OBS, and I just need to get a better mic. The mic that I have right now, it's you can't really use that mic. It's horrible, and it's gonna cost like $400 for another mic setup. So it's gonna take a while. Need to save up some cash for a new mic before I start, but this is what you guys have to live with until then. Options on shorting Tesla, considering that current price. If you have money to option and for Tesla, you're probably better off than me, man. I was thinking about doing options on these other companies, like a lot smaller than Tesla. I've only just started to understand options trading, so you have like in the next month or so, I'll know. I will know. Yeah, shorting. I don't think Tesla's gonna short, man. Everyone's buying all these Model 3s, so if you want to do it, go ahead, man. You know the risk. FUV or NIO. I'm not so sure about those companies. Have not looked into any of them. All right, Peter. So this is a very easy question. When I get paid out in dividends, it gets paid out in cash, and I see it in my account after they paid out. Normally, they could possibly be 1 or 2 days late paying out in cash, but it shows up in my account after. Just check the history and go filter out your history dates into dividends, and they'll tell you the exact day that they'll be paying out, and they'll also show you the pending days. So right now, for example, let me show you right here. If you can see, all these are pending dividends. I am a #1 dividend supporter, so if you guys want to learn more about dividends, that's all I'm about. So I'm getting 21 cents from Honda. I'm getting 30 cents from Ford. HCP, I'm getting 37 cents. I can do another dividend investing video tomorrow, I believe. So what day is it tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. So I'm gonna come out with a video on Friday and Saturday. I've been testing out the best times to make these videos, and every time that I make a video, I make 2 videos for 1 day. I can only batch those at that pace. If I talk for more than 1 hour, my mouth just doesn't work anymore. My brain just doesn't work anymore. So that's the best I can do. I can do 2 videos for a day, and that pays the bills. That pays the bills, guys. I've been getting a lot of questions about what I do for a living. I am a real estate investor, and I also am a property manager. I started a company 3 years ago, and I help manage a commercial building. This is the commercial building that I'm in at the moment. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has about 9 units. It pays the bills. My rental property pays the bills. My wife has a rental property as well. So that also helps on her side. And that's how, that's how we put food on the table. And I just started my YouTube channel maybe 2 years ago. If you guys are loving this live stream, don't forget to drop a like. I'm only seeing 5 likes up in there. And yeah, drop one out. So I'm learning about investing on the side because I have some spare cash saved up and I want to put it to work. And I don't know any other ways to put it to work other than I don't know any other ways putting all my cash to work other than investing in real estate and investing in the stock market. We've been on a crazy bull run. We've been on a crazy bull run in the stock market. So did I go to university? Yes, I graduated from Suffolk University in Boston. That was like in 2010, 9 years ago. That's crazy. 9 years ago I graduated. And yeah, I have my plaque somewhere. I wanted to hang it up on the wall back here because the wall, this gray wall that's in all my videos. Yeah, I'm gonna probably post it up right here. I think it'll be a good spot. But yeah, I'm a college boy, graduated. I don't know a lot of people that's graduated college, honestly. Actually, all my friends have graduated college. I don't know anyone that has not. I don't really hang out with anybody that has not graduated from college. Lamont B. All right, thank you guys for liking this video. That is awesome. So, I'm an open book. I try to be as transparent as I can. I want to build this community where we can, learn from each other. Everybody has different experiences, and the only way I think for a community like this to grow is to learn from each other. Yeah. What's your all-time percentage again? I'm not really sure what percentage you're talking about. I'm 42. If I can do it, anyone can. Exactly. Age is just a number. I'm 30. I just turned 31. Yeah, and it's really hitting me. I just turned 31. And the best thing that I can tell you guys if you're really young is stay consistent. Don't do anything half-assed. If you're going to do something, do it all the way. I cleaned up my Robinhood stocks. Great, man. Clean it up, man. Don't keep... for myself, I clean up all the rewards that I get. They're not worth having. Wholesale Direct. I am a real estate investor and property manager. And I like the investing part more than the managing part. The managing part is such a big hassle. I'll let you guys know on my video on Saturday, so stay tuned. I have a real estate video coming out soon. How much total money do I have in the stock market? Currently I have $10,000 invested in the stock market. In the crypto market, I have about 15 to 20,000. That fluctuates a lot, so those are my investments. And I have a lot more invested in real estate that will be private. Don't really want to let you guys know how much I'm invested in that, but it is a lot more substantial. Why not sell your rental property and invest with it? Because that would be a ridiculously stupid idea. My investment property is my bread and butter. That is what I know the most. I know real estate, and nothing is, I don't think anything is better than real estate, honestly. Especially if you know how to properly leverage your cash. And if you guys do not believe me, follow Graham Stephan's channel. You can just sub to him and you'll learn exactly what I'm talking about. Peter, when it comes to dividends, as long as you invest and buy that stock before the ex-dividend date, you shall receive the dividends. Currently, I am invested in some monthly dividend stocks. Avocado toast, man. I need to get some of his merch. His merch is great. But when it comes to dividends, yeah, just hold buy the stock. Make sure it does have dividends. It'll say that it has dividend yield, and you'll get that dividend when they do pay out. Realty Income is the #1 monthly paying dividend stock. So if you guys are asking me what monthly dividend stock to buy, that is going to be Realty Income. I think I'm up like $12 just from having 2 shares of Realty Income. I just took most of my money out of the stock market. To each their own, man. Investing in the stock market is a crazy thing to do. If you think about it, you're giving these gigantic companies some of your money, and they can literally do whatever they want with it. But they do have their, some self-interest, but they should be catering to all their investors' interest. So, like myself, I'm only investing as much as I can afford to lose. That's about $10,000 a year that I'm investing in the stock market. In 30 years, that should be a crazy amount of money that I'll be able to retire on. Yeah, just thinking about it is crazy. It's going to be a crazy ride. Imagine if I am still doing YouTube in 30 years. I'll just be one wrinkly old man. But yeah, let me know. We're doing this. We are doing this. And when a recession comes, I'll still be in the stock market when the recession comes. I'll be averaging my way down. Dollar cost averaging is the way to go, I believe. I'll leave. Yo, someone enlighten this guy, Graham Stephan. He's my role model, man. Honestly, I watch his channel. I take a lot of his advice. He's starting to sell some courses here and there, but that's just the name of the game to monetize your channel. That's what you have to do sometimes. He's just monetizing it, and she's just capitalizing on his channel at the moment. Many shares to receive dividends off of on Robinhood. Robinhood does pay dividends. One thing that I want to try out in the future is M1 Finance. I'll probably throw $1,000 onto M1 Finance. I have the cash here. I just need to deposit it. I'll be throwing $1,000 into M1 Finance. I want to test out their fractional shares and just see how it goes. I will still be in the market in the recession. Then when the market returns up, I will retire. Yo, Bobby Yek, that sounds like a plan, man. That sounds like a plan. In Robinhood, I probably invested about $2,500 of my own of my own cash, and everything else is either capital gains. Most likely, it's capital gains, dividends, and some referral rewards. So yeah, I get a lot of questions about referral rewards. Dude, I already hit the limit. $500 is the limit for the referral rewards. I have like 30 of them left on my dashboard that I'll be scratching off. So I better start making a lot of videos because those expire after 60 days. So I don't have a lot of time left to scratch them off for you guys. All right, man. This live stream has been going on for 30 minutes. So I think I'll be ending it here. Let me know what you guys think of the live stream. I want to make this a lot higher quality. Yeah, like I want to make, like I said, I want to make this higher quality live stream for you guys. Right now, I'm doing it off my phone, and I do not like how it looks. So I have a better camera set up over there, and I'll be doing it too. So stay tuned for the next live stream. I know there's this thing called memberships. So I think I'll be starting to do more live streams probably once per week. And anybody who wants to be a member, you can join that membership, and I'll be doing live stream for you guys. But till then, I'll be testing it out, trying to perfect this game right now. And thank you guys for staying in here. 35 minutes in, 32 watchers, 16 likes. If you haven't liked the video yet, drop me a like. It's not going to hurt. And subscribe if you haven't. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in another video next time. Stay rich, people. Get that money.